So we're in the recording studio for the radio show, and we're going to show you some of our canning jars that we have collected recently and over the course of several years. We have a complete set of very large canning jars here. This is a 4-gallon, a 2-gallon, and a 1-gallon. Now these were manufactured by Ball as a novelty item in the late 1990s. They didn't make a 3-gallon. Did a lot of research, a lot of emails. No 3-gallon, but they made a 1, 2, and a 4. And you can see the 4-gallon, kind of the comparison of what that looks like next to me. And then on the bottom shelf here, we've got several unique jars. We've got a glass funnel and some wire clasp jars. What we have is we've put together a collection: 4, 3, 2, half-gallon, pint, quart, and half-pint jars, kind of a collection. Bottom shelf here, we've got 2 coffee Ball coffee canisters, I guess you would call it. You got the little clasp lid. We got those. We didn't realize that this one was the size it was. We thought we were running 2 the same size. Most of these were purchased on Marketplace. Here's a nice half-gallon funnel, or a half-gallon pitcher. 1985, 1995, in that range. A lot of these were found on Marketplace, like I said. The large ones, this one came on Marketplace, shipped to Milwaukee area from Nashville, and these other ones were local. So we'll turn around and look at the other collections that we have behind you. So on the back side of the studio, we've got another 4-gallon jar. This was a local purchase, and 2 1-gallons. Still looking for another 2-gallons, so we have 2 complete sets. So those are, the 1-gallons are more, if you find them on Marketplace, those are pretty much the shippable ones. Anything above that, you're kind of going to have to drive a ways or get it local. And up here we've got a number of jars that were purchased on Marketplace. A lot of the blue jars, the wire clasp jars. Some of these half-gallon jars here and there, those were my great-grandparents' jars back on the farm. And then we've got some decorative jars here, the half-pint and the quart jars. So just a collection of Ball jars. We all collect something. This is what we do, and we continue to find unique jar things that Ball made or other companies made, and we continue to add to our collection.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.